This week in Tips and Tricks, I want to talk about real lights and what happens if you lose them and how you can improve them a little bit. So, if you have like here, in this case, they round. I hope you can see that they round. They could be, of course, in all kind of shape. So, if you still have them, I go ahead and use some aluminum foil. This is that you get that in your hardware store. Plumbers use that to insulate their pipes, and to me it's just as good as this bare metal foil. As a matter of fact, I think it's the same, but I don't know. That's just my assumption. So you want to have that behind your real light, because if you look in a one-to-one real light, they always have this reflection behind. So you want to do that on your real light, have that behind, and then glue it in so it looks more realistic. But the main thing that I want to talk today is, what if you lose a real light and you have to make one from scratch? Well, like I mentioned before, they are round. That's why I go in this thing with round ones. So actually we do the same that we had like last week. We just go ahead and use our foil, the ones from the office. And in that case, like I said, it's like 6 millimeters. You take a puncher and a handy dandy hammer, and you punch that out like you see it here, and you end up with something like those little guys. I hope you can see that, right? And then you go ahead and take a part of that foil and glue it on one of those red ones and punch it out again. So you end up with something like this. And you have like the reflections. I hope that is possible to see for you. And yeah, all that I do is now just take some glue, put it in the car, yeah, no glue, just static. So there you go. And you see kind of the reflection. And that's how I'm gonna do it. But this was the tip of this week.